Hello everyone, my name is Pijl. I'm designer and entrepreneur. I'm here to help you to reach the next level, the next skill. Discipline, strategic investment, and intuition are the key points that inspire me to push myself every day to reach my goals. Today, let's talk about curiosity. First of all, let's define curiosity. Tendency to learn to know new or hidden things. I think it's very interesting to be curious of everything about our environment, about our society, about people, about the nature, history, science, technology and innovation. I'm curious about everything I see, I experience every single day.